Welcome back to Star Facts, where we uncover the wonders of the universe, one fact at a time. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of birds. These feathered creatures never fail to amaze us with their unique characteristics and behaviors. So, without further ado, let's explore 10 incredible facts about birds. Fact number 1. Birds have hollow bones. Did you know that birds have hollow bones? This might sound strange, but it's actually a brilliant adaptation for flight. Hollow bones make birds lightweight, allowing them to soar through the skies with ease. Imagine if humans had hollow bones, we'd probably be a lot better at basketball. Fact number 2. Penguins can't fly, but they're excellent swimmers. When we think of birds, flying usually comes to mind. However, penguins are the odd ones out. These flightless birds might not soar through the air, but they're masters of the ocean. With their streamlined bodies and strong flippers, penguins can outswim most Olympic athletes. Fact number 3. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. Hummingbirds are tiny but mighty. Not only can they hover in midair, but they're also the only birds capable of flying backwards. With their rapid wing beats and incredible agility, hummingbirds are like the acrobats of the bird world. Fact number 4. Ostriches have the largest eyes of any land animal. Ostriches might be known for their long necks and powerful legs, but did you know they also have the largest eyes of any land animal? These big-eyed birds have eyes that are even bigger than their brains. Talk about having a sharp eye for detail. Fact number 5. Crows are incredibly intelligent. Crows are often associated with mystery and intelligence, and for good reason. These birds are incredibly smart, and are known for their problem-solving skills. In fact, some studies suggest that crows might be as intelligent as a 7-year-old child. Next time you see a crow, remember, they're probably plotting their next brilliant scheme. Fact number 6. Flamingos get their pink color from their diet. Flamingos are famous for their vibrant pink plumage, but did you know that they're not born pink? Their distinctive color actually comes from the food they eat, which is rich in carotenoids. It's like they're wearing nature's most fashionable accessory. Fact number 7. Owls can rotate their heads 270 degrees. Owls are known for their wise demeanor and their ability to hunt in the dark. But perhaps their most impressive skill is their ability to rotate their heads a whopping 270 degrees. This incredible neck flexibility helps them keep a keen eye on their surroundings, even in the dead of night. Fact number 8. The fastest bird in the world is the peregrine falcon. When it comes to speed, the peregrine falcon reigns supreme. With speeds reaching over 240 miles per hour during a dive, these birds are the ultimate speed demons of the sky. It's no wonder they're considered the Ferrari of the bird world. Fact number 9. Pigeons can recognize themselves in a mirror. Pigeons might seem like common city birds, but they're actually quite remarkable. Studies have shown that pigeons are capable of recognizing themselves in a mirror, a trait previously thought to be exclusive to humans and a few other animals. Who knew pigeons had such a strong sense of self-awareness? Fact number 10. Some birds migrate thousands of miles each year. Last but not least, many bird species undertake incredible journeys during migration. From the Arctic tern, which travels over 50,000 miles in a year, to the ruby-throated hummingbird, which crosses the Gulf of Mexico on its journey. These birds remind us of the awe-inspiring power of nature. And there you have it, 10 mind-blowing facts about birds. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Star Facts for more fascinating insights into the world around us. Until next time, keep looking up.